Hey guys, alright, so we are making a U-part wig, alright, so we are going to sew the tracks onto this bad boy, and we are going to work this out. So, and hello, check out my braiding. It's not the best, but it's not bad anyway. So, I braided my hair, left my leave out, alright, braided some anchor braids, because I am going to try to clip this in. I've never clipped in a U-part wig before with combs. I've never done that. I'm not going to use the clips because the clips I feel will not get into my braid and it'll snag at my hair and all hell will break loose. So I'm going to try to use the combs. Wish me luck. Anyway, so I took a Sharpie Gold and I outlined it. I put the stocking, the wig cap on my head first. Then I just outlined according to my anchor braids. Went around and around and around. Now, I know you're going to go on YouTube. I wish that you could see me. There we go. I'm mad close too. Don't want to be mad close. Alright, so you're going to go on YouTube and you're going to see a bunch of videos that have everybody taking the whole dome cap and putting it on and measuring it and doing this and doing that. Please don't come at me and ask me why I'm not doing it like that, because I'm custom fitting it to my head. This stocking cap, since I have leave out, it comes all the way over here. I don't have hair all the way over here. Why would I want my part to come all the way down here? Anyway, so I've customized it. So most of this elastic will come off. That's why I have combs. If I don't like how the combs fit, I will sew this bad boy down along my anchor braids. Alright? Don't know if you could see me. Hope you could see me. If you couldn't, I'm just going to cut it off and basically play it under the video. Alright. Now that we're down. I don't know where the hell that was pointing at. But, so, we are going to start. We're going to draw our guidelines, okay? Now, this is supposed to be a deep side part. I didn't leave a lot of hair out. Sorry. Left about 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches out almost. But, let's see. Okay, so... Oh. Excuse me? And what I'm going to try is to... I'm going to do it on the sewing machine. Let me even this out. I'm going to... try to double the tracks on the sewing machine. I don't know if it's been done before. I didn't look up any videos. I did not look up any videos, so not quite sure. And I don't know if I'm doubling tracks, because I only got 2 bundles. Okay, so far that's what I'm doing. And this marker is hella strong. Like, I don't usually use markers. I didn't realize this thing was so damn strong. You need a damn face mask. Make sure this shit is lined up. Sometimes the guidelines come out okay. And if you want to protect your wig cap, put something underneath. I don't know what my wig cap's going to look like after this. God help me. Alright, so as I'm getting closer to the top, I cannot see my guidelines. I think it's because of the light. This one's really light. Okay. This this one's really, really light. I'm going to actually go and get another damn color because I can barely see it. I can see it here, but how am I going to see it when I'm sewing it? Is the question. That is the question. Alright. So. Really hope I can. Alright, I'm just going to get a little closer. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay. So. Then I'm just going to braid around. Alright, so we did that. Now, as you can see, we got my guidelines. I'm going to braid down here. This line right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 11. I'm going to draw my other, sorry, I'm going to sew my last track along these perimeters. Alrighty. Wish me luck. Oh my gosh, so my recorder stopped while I was sewing the last track. Sorry about that, guys. Alright, so we sewed the last track. Okay, this indentation is from the plastic that I was holding here. And this is pretty much the hair. Now, I got a little bit more hair here. So this was pretty much almost exactly 2 tracks, 2 bundles. So, alright, so we sewed pretty much around all of that. And now we are going to attach the combs. And for extra security, I'm just going to go around it again. because I might be cutting some of the thread off. So I'm just going to show you how to add them on with the clips. Alright. So first, make sure the bottom of the wig is underneath. Don't snag your hair, okay? Be careful. Adjust the wig before you even put the clips down. Kind of close them first so it doesn't snag your hair. Find your anchor braid. Open the clip. Connect the clip here. Connect the clip here. And then connect the clip here. Wait. Bring this one down. Okay. Alright. So, pretty much covered. Depending on how you braid your braids, I should have braided this a little bit further back. But as long as all your braids are covered, you're going to take this leave out and you're going to cover it up. Alright, so I'm going to style this hair, just add some curls, and we'll be back. But as you can see, simple, simple. Now, since I wasn't using and looking directly in the mirror, it was a little much. And then you have your own little clip here that you add in the back, or a comb. And this is 2 bundles, so it's a natural look. I didn't want it too thick because I don't have like extremely thick hair. So stay tuned.